Before we dive in, there's going to be an exclusive link down below for SAKITECH viewers, which is going to get you $200 instant Samsung credit when ordering the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is a limited time offer and only available using the link down below. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. We are going to be talking about a specific feature on the Fold 4 that I'm really loving, and that's the brand new Taskbar feature. As you can see, it's the little taskbar that just goes to the bottom of the screen, which makes accessing all your apps quite easy and also helps a lot with multitasking. So let me show you how to enable it, deactivate it, and all the related features and nuances of this option. Now, one thing I want to let you know is this option is available on One UI 4.1 for the Fold devices, so most likely it's going to trickle down to other Samsung Fold devices. So that's a nice thing to look forward to if you're going to keep your older Fold. So basically you start by going into the settings, all right, and then you go to display where the taskbar option is going to be brand new option. So if you scroll down over the navigation bar option, you have the taskbar. You can turn it on and off. As you can see, it's all up to you, fully customizable. Turn that off, it's gone. Turn it on, it just appears. Now, once you have it there, how do you customize it? Let me show you. And I do want to mention that the animations on this thing are super smooth. So when I launch an application, the taskbar smoothly goes down, as you can see. It's quite fast and responsive. So basically, the taskbar is a replica of the bottom row of apps that I'm customizing right now. So whatever customization I make to the bottom row actually appears at the bottom, okay? So let me just add one more application. Let's just grab this guy. Now that application is part of the taskbar. When I launch an application, that taskbar is going to reflect the bottom row of applications from the home screen. And I want to let you know, as of now, you can only have a maximum of 8, okay? You can see I cannot put any more than 8. But I can create folders as usual. If I want to make a folder, that's great. I can have apps within folders, and that will probably make my taskbar even more advanced for my use. But you cannot go over 8 applications. And you can also go into the navigation bar and switch from the button mode to the swipe gestures mode, which a lot of people use. Now, when you do that, let me just do that real quick. Let's go to swipe gestures. You can see it's a little bit different. The buttons disappear, the swipes come back, okay? But the taskbar is now more centered, as you can see. It works either in the button mode or the swipe gesture mode, as you can see. And it's much easier to create these multitasking layouts where you can have multiple applications side by side by using the taskbar that's available at the bottom at all times. And I like the fact that if you don't want it, you can turn it off. So that's an option you have. Not everybody's going to want it, but look at how easy it is for me to just launch 3 applications from the taskbar that I can customize, and then I can do all these nice things. Very nice and smooth and fluid animations. Now, there's also one more thing I want to talk about. If you go to the Edge panels, and if you go to the app panels, on the previous versions, like the Fold 3, you can dock the app panels on the side of the screen. You cannot do that anymore. You don't have that pin option anymore to dock it on the side. You only get the bottom dock, okay? So that's one feature you're losing, but I think the dock at the bottom, the taskbar at the bottom, is much better, all right? And even if I were to go back in there and if I were to disable the taskbar, I cannot go and use the apps panel, the Edge panel, like I can use it right now on the Fold 3. You cannot pin this app panel anymore to the left or the right. The taskbar is going to be at the bottom. I think it's the natural place for it to be. So overall, a great feature. I just want them to make it a little bit more customizable where you can actually move the taskbar to the left or the right previously. But I like the fact that it is an option you can turn on and off, as you can see. I do like the smooth and fluid animations. So it does work perfectly well. And because it is a software feature, it's also going to come to other Samsung Galaxy Fold devices. And also remember, there's going to be an exclusive link down below. If you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, you are getting $200 Samsung credit for free. And if you trade in your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, you're going to get $1,000 trade-in credit on top of that. So you can get this new guy pretty cheap if you have an older Fold version. They're giving you $900 for the Fold 1 if you trade that in to get this one, plus the $200 credit that allows you to buy additional stuff if you need it. Those links are exclusive and they're going to be down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?